Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with a Terrain 365 Otter here with me for a quick maintenance video. Hey, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this fella. This is a double detent slip joint. It's a non-locking knife, so you have a couple detents. So let's open it up and see how this guy works. So you're gonna need the T8 Torx bit to take this guy apart. I'm just gonna start from the pivot because I feel so the pivot is spinning on the other side. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of pressure and we should be good to go, like so. There you go, and this is out. T8 as well for the handle screws. Tiny back spacer going on. First screw is out, and that's the second one, which allows blind screw for the clip. In fact, you see the length, and we are pretty much done, guys. Look at this, boom, popping out like so. Here you go. Just gonna grab some rubbing alcohol right over here to give it a nice clean up like that. I'm just gonna start from this scale over here. It's nice to see how they look at this gunk. Oh wow, it's nice to see how you see there's like a liner right over here, which is very dirty. Wow, that's serious gunk. And you see, you know, one detent right over here. Let me clean this guy. I'm just gonna grab another one. They're pretty handy, like pretty useful. And this guy's running on bearings, and it's a titanium, very thin liners, nested. So that is done. Blade is out like so, and that's it. Let's clean the scale here. That's good. Bearing is out. Let's clean up this pivot, the stop pin. Wow, this was dirty. There you go. I like to maintain the knife before I do the review to give them, like, you know, like a fair shot. And wow, this was nasty. There you go. Very nice. So pivot is clean. Let's clean the pivot socket right over here. Let's grab another one of these boys. There we go. Oh, this is like bone dry. All right, we'll just use it to dry it off. It's gonna clean a little bit more. Yeah, so that's done as well. And right over here, so you got the tang of the blade. And let's use last one. There you go. Let's also clean this blade. Oh, very dark. What's going on here? Terravanthium on the spine of the blade, ceramic caged ball bearings, tiny balls, and the back spacer is here. There we go. We are done, guys. So let's go ahead and put this thing back together, right? Let's also clean this side. Here we go. Very nice. All right. That is pretty good. It's clean. Let's go ahead and do, so this was, let's do this on the show side, right? Here we go. So we got this on this side. It's keyed in from which side? that is interesting, because we got like a keyed in pivot, but there's nothing keyed in the scales, right? That's right. It's okay, not a biggie. This is gonna go here. Correct. This is gonna go here. This is the stop, the lanyard pin right there, and we get a backspacer like so, and then we are gonna do this over here. This fella is going to be, actually, you know what, let's add a tiny bit of lube over there, like 1, 2, and 3 drops, and the blade is going to go like so. Couple drops in the track and like that. Then we got our liner in. Wow, look at this, guys. That is close to the edge. Wow. That's thin. It's gonna hold, but it's thin. Like, definitely, yeah, it's thin. Anyways, this is gonna be here. That's fine. Right there. That's fine. So that's it. Here we go, guys. Let's do this. I'm just gonna do the Detent lube. Now, I'm just gonna do, you know, 1 drop here, 1 drop there, and a tiny bit on the actual detent ball. This fella just wants to stay there. It's fine, just stay there, like so, and like. Oh, do you see? The pivot is actually keyed in the liner. You see? So, which goes somewhere like there, right? So, that makes sense. So this is going to be something like that, you see? Like so. So this can stay there. The backspacer can be right like that. And then we can do the other, the scale. Keep everything pinched together. Let me check. No, what is up here? Nothing. Everything looks good. So I'm just gonna do this first, like so, to catch that. So we are able to do the clip. Right, like so. Just trying to catch the thread nicely. There you go. And that is in. We're gonna do the pivot now. Not doing any Loctite because actually I could, because the pivot is not spinning. And oh yeah, it's way too loose, like that. There you go. So actually, so the blade is centered. Of course, this is a non-lock-in slippy, which is kind of elegant. I like it. Action, I mean, it's pretty rock solid. Not too bad, guys. Look at this. It doesn't drop shut, but just a little and gentle nudge, and there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.